Mouse Clubhouse. Clubhouse Christmas. Mickey and his friends are getting ready for Christmas Eve. Minnie bakes cookies. Yum! Goofy makes a popcorn string to put around the tree. Daisy looks for the star for the top of the tree. Clarabelle says, I put the star in the small red box with the green bow. Do you see the box? Oh my, says Daisy. We can't open the box. How will we get our star for the tree? Mickey calls, Oh, Toodles! Toodles brings a special holiday musk tool to cut the ribbon. A pair of candy cane safety scissors. We've got ears. Say cheers. Now there is only one thing left to do. Wish you a Merry Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Christmas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.